Hello, and welcome back to Healthy Habitat. Have you ever heard of Pilates and wondered what makes it stand out in the world of fitness? Originating in the early 20th century, Pilates is a unique blend of strength, flexibility, and mindfulness exercises developed by Joseph Pilates. It's not just another fitness fad, it's a holistic approach to body conditioning, targeting both the mind and body. Let's unveil 10 remarkable advantages of Pilates that might just surprise you. 1. Deep core strengthening. When we talk about core strengthening in Pilates, we're diving deeper than just surface-level muscles. Unlike many exercises that target only superficial layers, Pilates uniquely activates the intricate muscles close to the spine. This profound core engagement results in a stable spine, a toned abdomen, and improved overall strength, ensuring optimal functionality in daily life. 2. Enhances flexibility. Imagine your muscles being both strong and elastic. That's what Pilates offers. Its carefully designed sequences gradually enhance the elasticity of muscles and connective tissues. Over time, practitioners often notice a significant increase in flexibility, making movements more fluid and diminishing the risk of injuries. 3. Perfects your posture. Our modern lives, filled with desk jobs and screen time, are prime culprits for poor posture. Pilates emphasizes the alignment of the spine and the strengthening of the back and core muscles. Regular practitioners often find themselves standing taller and straighter, naturally correcting posture flaws, which can alleviate chronic back pain and exude confidence. 4. Mind-body connection. Pilates is more than a physical exercise, it's a dance between the mind and body. Every move demands mindfulness, ensuring that practitioners aren't just moving but are deeply connected to each motion. This enhanced awareness fosters a deeper connection with one's body, improving mental clarity and focus in and out of the studio. 5. Low impact, high reward. Not all impactful exercises have to be hard on the joints. Pilates is a testament to that. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it accessible to everyone, from those nursing injuries to seniors looking for a safe exercise form. And despite its gentle approach, the benefits in terms of muscle toning and strength are profound. 6. Better balance and coordination. Balance isn't just about standing on one foot, it's about harmonizing muscle groups. Pilates routines often involve stability exercises that challenge both the body and mind. Over time, this not only improves physical balance but also refines coordination, crucial for daily tasks and preventing accidents. 7. Breath control and increased lung capacity. The rhythm of Pilates is guided by breath. Each move flows with inhalations and exhalations, teaching the practitioner to breathe efficiently. This controlled breathing doesn't just facilitate movements but also increases lung capacity, ensuring that every cell gets a richer supply of oxygen, optimizing overall health. 8. Enhanced athletic performance. Many elite athletes swear by Pilates, and for a good reason. The strength, flexibility, and balance achieved through Pilates translate directly to enhanced athletic performance. It's the secret weapon for many, allowing them to move better, prevent injuries, and achieve greater feats in their respective sports. 9. Boosts mental well-being. Physical exertion often leads to mental relaxation. But with Pilates, this relaxation is amplified. The combination of controlled movements and focused breathing can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels. Regular sessions can be a sanctuary for mental rejuvenation, helping practitioners navigate life with a calmer disposition. 10. Efficient workouts. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. Pilates sessions, even short ones, can offer a comprehensive workout, targeting multiple muscle groups. For those short on time but keen on results, Pilates offers a condensed yet effective workout solution. The magic of Pilates is its holistic approach, merging the body, mind, and spirit into a dance of strength and serenity. If you've yet to experience its transformative power, maybe now's the time. Thank you for joining us on Healthy Habitat. If this video enlightened you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy.